So, friends, welcome back. And we are on the last characteristics of successful people. That is 32nd characteristic of successful people. Successful people are highly disciplined. So, basically, in this entire book, the author is not only talking about the money, he is talking about the characteristics, the behavior, the successful people they are having. So whatever thing you have read or you have came through, you have understood from my videos so far, all that thing you will not able to attend. All that characteristics you will not able to attend if this one single attribute or one single characteristics, that is to be disciplined, is not there in you. So this is the most important characteristic with the successful people they are having. They will constantly do the things which are necessary to achieve their goal. That means they will be disciplined enough. On daily basis they will keep on taking the action. They will see how they are progressing. They will maintain that list, and they will keep on growing on day by day basis. And this is what they will attend, that this is with this characteristics they will, this particular one characteristic, they will attend the 10x actions which they have to take to become successful. So discipline is required to attend or to complete one activity, and you have to keep on repeating that particular set of tasks in a disciplined manner, however uncomfortable that particular task is, and then only you will receive the success. So friends, with this I will end my 10x rule book. This was the last characteristics of last chapter, chapter number 22nd, and I hope you liked all my videos. So friend, listening to this video or reading to the book is not enough. By reading or listening to the videos or my audios, you will not become successful. You have to implement what you are learning. So suggestion is like, you prepare the list of the characteristics which I have given in this all these videos, the 32 characteristics of the successful people. Make a list, keep it nearby you, and on daily basis keep on referring that list. See, even the successful people, they will not have all the 32 characters at a time, or it will not be present in one person. They will have most of the characteristics, or at a time they will have many of these characteristics, and it will keep on changing. But overall, out of these 32 characteristics, if you follow some 90%, 85% of characteristics, if you inculcate in yourself, definitely success is not far from you. You will definitely get the success. So friend, best of luck. I hope, I pray for your success, and I hope for your success, and I will come up with some other book in my next video. Till then, bye and see you.